Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export WhatsApp chat to another phone. Let's say if you have a conversation that is really important to you and you want to transfer it to another phone, that one conversation, say it might be your backup phone or your iPad or whatever. So let's open up the WhatsApp application here and we are going to tap on these three dots and go for this settings here. Now in settings, tap on this chats and you can see the last option here is chat history. Tap on it and you will see this option here, export chat. Tap on that and it will give me the ability to choose one of these. So I'm going to choose one of these here. You have several different options. You can tap on this include media or without media. I'm going for this include media here, and then this will export it as a zip or archived, so you won't be able to continue that conversation because you can't load it back into WhatsApp, but you can save it for something. So you can choose here WhatsApp, Telegram, Quick Share, or whatever you want. You have lots of option. You can go for this drive option here as well, or go for this mail option here as well. You can choose all of the different options here. So I am just going to say I'm going for this mail. I'm going to send through the mail here, and then you have to enter the mail you want to send, and then you can simply tap on this send button in the top right corner and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to export WhatsApp chat to another phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.